Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create pool water texture effect background in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape. Give gradient fill color. Left gradient slider color R41, G 171, B 226. Right gradient slider color R0, G 113, B 188. Copy Ctrl C, paste in front Ctrl F. Go to effect menu and texture and style glass. Cell size 13, border thickness 4, light intensity 3. Appearance panel Shift F6. Click on add new effect. Artistic and plastic walk. Highlight strength 20, detail 10, smoothness 15. Select plastic walk and drag on duplicate selected item. Highlight strength 13, detail 9, smoothness 15. Apply blending mode. Overlay in transparency panel. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. You can edit effects in appearance panel. Cell size 20. Vertical align top in align panel. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your pool water texture is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create water pool texture background in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.